it's ever set.
Never end. So these rows never end.
Best harvest this season. Whoa, almost lost the whole harvest there.
Nice save, careful now.
Don't drop the good ones. I got it.
Keep the pace up. Truck is almost full.
Careful, superstar.
Still didn't drop a single one.
All right, seal numbers confirmed.
Seal number 3807533348 to Vernon.
All right, bring it back slow to the bay on the right.
Keep it coming, easy now. Watch your clearance on the left.
Easy and steady.
Good placement.
Fresh batch just arrived. These look perfect for today.
These look perfect for the green bins. What about this one? It feels a bit soft.
These go to the special batch.
Final sterilization complete.
Wash is hitting strong. Good, strip everything off.
Density is uniform across the line.
Cutters are perfectly aligned today.
Yeah, the trimming looks super clean.
Skin is perfect on this batch.
These are premium grade.
Keep the flow even.
Yeah, no bunching today.
Yeah. The scanner is catching every size difference. Yeah, accuracy is almost perfect.
Yeah.
These strawberries are super fresh. Make sure we remove the soft ones. Water pressure looks perfect.
Second wash always makes them shine.
Yeah, this is the final polish.
Second wash is crystal clear.
Sorting accuracy is clean.
Premium grade only.
Sterilization cycle complete. Cutters are perfectly aligned.
Primary crush engaged. Look at that texture.
Yeah, it is coming out perfect today. First batch is perfect.
Feed is clean and steady.
First batch is perfect.
First batch is perfect.
Keep the intake steady.
Flow rate is perfect.
First batch is perfect. First batch is perfect.
Temperature is climbing steady. Good, good. Keep it slow and even.
Sugar is going in now.
Add the lemon slow, we want balance.
The viscosity is perfect. And
Perfect pull.
It looks alive.
The viscosity is perfect.
System is stable.
first batch is perfect.
First batch is perfect.
Density is perfect.
Bricks is right on target.
That is a perfect batch.
Density is perfect.
Texture is leveling out. Sugar is in.
Let it absorb.
Heat is climbing smoothly.
Load is steady. Bring in the heat. Acid balance locked.
Acid balance locked. Flow rate is perfect. Flow rate is perfect.
This is the final texture. It is tightening up now. Filling feed is stable. Cooling is on curve.
Batch code confirmed.
Batch code confirmed. Batch code confirmed.
Levels are perfect.
Batch code confirmed. Batch code confirmed.
Seals are tight.
Branding is perfect.
Packaging complete.
The Vilab AI production labels look great on camera. Yeah, the brand really stands out.
Bring it to aisle 5.
Vilab AI, I've heard of them.
Is that the new strawberry jam?
Locked in clean.
Front facing only.
Wow, this just arrived.
Grab two, they will sell out fast. This one is mine.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
I feel
That one is trending today.
This looks new.
This one is going fast.
Let's take a view.
This smells incredible. Perfect morning. Perfect morning.
This is dangerously good. I might come over more often. Here you go, nice and glossy, just how you like it. Perfect. You always know how to make me smile.
That swirl, though.
Classic never fails. This is pure luxury.
Perfect morning. This smells incredible.
This is the perfect start.
That color is insane.
Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready.
ViLab AI production.